Well, guys, this is OPTIMER FX. Let me show you the best way you can make consistent profit trading crash 500 index. How to make consistent profit trading crash 500 index. Guys, this strategy has been paying heavily. I have been using this strategy for over some months now, and it has been paying very well. Now I decided to share it with you guys free of charge. Do you understand? This particular strategy pays very well. Now before I go deep, there is an important remark I want to make here. Any video on my channel, any strategy on my channel, always pay attention to the time frame. The time frame matters. Any strategy has a particular time frame it works best. Do you understand? So any video you are watching in my channel, always pay attention to what the time frame at which that particular strategy is used. This is very important. Do you understand? Don't apply a strategy that works best on 1 hour time frame, on 5 minutes time frame, and expecting similar results. No, it does not work like that. Before bringing up any video here, it has been tested on a particular time frame. Do you understand? So any strategy on this channel, always pay attention to the settings and also to the what time frame. It is what very important. Now let me show you how to make consistent profit trading crash 500 index. Here the time frame is a 1 hour time frame. What you need is only one indicator, MACD indicator. MACD indicator, that is the only indicator you need in this particular strategy. Do you understand? Now this is how the strategy works, but before that, let me show you the settings. Let me show you the settings so that you will flow as I illustrate how the strategy works. Now only one indicator, which is MACD indicator. Now this is how to set up the MACD indicator. This is how to set up the MACD indicator. First of all, let me remove this one. Now to set up the MACD indicator for crash 500 index, time frame is 1 hour time frame. Then you go to F. Now you locate MACD. Here is what MACD. Here is what MACD. Do you understand? So you click on it. Now here are the settings for this particular MACD. Here are what the settings. The fast EMA is 100, the slow EMA is 26, then MACD SMA is 2. You should apply it towards close. Now when you come to the style, main is you choose color of your choice, while the signal you choose color of your choice. That is all about what you need to set up MACD indicator for crash 500 index. Now once you are done setting up the parameters, you hit done. So that is all about what you need to set up the indicator. Now let me show you how to apply this and make huge profits. How to apply it and make huge profits. So this is it. Pay attention to this particular area, the crossing where the MACD, where the crossing occur in the side of MACD. This is place where I want you to pay attention, where crossing occur. Do you understand? That is particular place I want you to pay attention. The point where the crossing occur in the side of MACD. That is place I want you to make what? To pay attention. That is the place you need to initiate your what? Your trades. Now, this is how it goes. Now, when the MACD crosses from down upwards, that is what? A sell signal, a confirmed sell signal. Do you understand? That is what? A confirmed sell signal. So in this case, once you notice this crossing here, look at it. Once you notice it, trace it up. Do you understand? That is where the crossing occur. Do you understand? So I want you to make your entry. I want you to make your entry where the crossing occur. Do you understand? Make your entry where the crossing occur. Do you understand? So your stop loss should be, whichever trade you are making, always make use of what? Stop loss. And your stop loss should be at the closest lower high. Do you understand? Your entry should be here, while your stop loss should be here. Do you understand? And this is what? Massive profits. This is what? Massive profits. So let's proceed. In this video, I want to show you only on how to sell. When you are selling on crash, all the sparks are in your favor. So that's why I want to focus on only selling. This is another crossing here. This is what? Another crossing here. So I want you to make your entry where the crossing occur. Make your entry where the crossing occur. Do you understand? So your stop loss should be at the nearest higher low. So your entry should be here, while your stop loss should be here. Do you understand? So this is what? A huge profit. Guys, this particular strategy, if you can be patient enough, if you can do what? Be patient enough and apply it, there is no issue of account blowing again. You will remain profitable. Do you understand? So that is it. You see, this is a huge gain. This is what? A huge gain. Don't forget, this is OPTIMER FX, where profitable strategies are being shared. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button. Share the video widely so that others will benefit and start making consistent profits. Do you understand? So the issue of account blowing with OPTIMER strategy, the issue of account blowing is a thing of a pass. Do you understand? So if you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video so that others will benefit. Thank you.